In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or modify existing rules in Outlook. Whether you're streamlining your inbox or adjusting rules to better fit your email habits, knowing how to modify these rules can be incredibly useful. So let's walk through this process together, one step at a time. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your email address and password. This ensures you have the access you need to manage all your email and settings. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear or cog. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a menu with several options. Within this menu, one of the sections you'll want to focus on is Rules. Clicking on Rules will take you to an overview of all the rules you currently have set up in your Outlook account. This is where you can see which rules are active, what they do, and get the chance to tweak them if necessary. To modify an existing rule, you need to identify which one you want to change. Beside each rule, you'll find three small dots. Clicking on these will reveal additional options. Here's where you click on Edit Rule. This step is crucial as it allows you to see the specific details of the selected rule. Once you're in the editing view, you'll notice options to change the title, the condition under which the rule is triggered, or the action the rule takes, such as what happens to emails meeting the said condition. Spend some time thinking about the changes that will serve you best. Maybe you want to adjust a condition from to subject contains, or change what happens to the emails, like moving them to a specific folder instead of marking them as read. Once you've made your changes, it's important to save your work. Look for the Save button or link somewhere on the page, usually near the top or bottom. Clicking it will ensure that your modified rule is updated in the system and ready to enhance your email experience. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully modified a rule in Outlook. Remember, these settings can really help maintain a streamlined and efficient inbox management system. Thanks for following along today. Make sure to join us for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools.